Hi, and welcome to another flipped classroom video. Tonight you're going to learn all about division. Division is related to subtraction, so don't worry. If you can subtract, you can divide. So what does it mean to divide? Well, division is like sharing, something you've been doing your whole life. In order to divide, you must divide your total equally. So if we have 4 pencils to share between 2 people, 4 divided by 2 equals 2 pencils for each person. We're going to look at 2 division strategies tonight. The first is using groups or an array to divide, something we've been doing with multiplication. Here I have 6 green triangles, and I'm going to divide those triangles, oh my goodness, 6 green squares that I'm going to divide equally into 3 groups. So I'll put one group over here, one group in the middle, and another group over here. And I'm going to keep moving my squares until I have used all 6 into 3 equal groups. Now you can see that I have 3 groups, and each group has 2 squares in it. So when I divide 6 by 3, my answer is 2. Another division strategy that we could use is repeated subtraction. Just like we could use repeated addition to solve multiplication, we can use repeated subtraction to solve division. And I'll do that by starting with my 15 and subtracting 5. And I keep doing that until I get to 0. Oh my. So 15 minus 5 is 10. And I'm going to keep subtracting, so now I will take 10 minus 5, and I get 5. And I keep going, 5 minus 5, oh my beautiful handwriting, equals 0. When I get to 0, I know that I'm finished. And so I find my answer by counting the number of times that I subtracted 5. So I subtracted 5 1, 2, oopsie, 3 times. So 15 divided by 5 is 3. This is a great strategy, but there's always the chance that you might make a subtraction mistake. So if you find that you get to the end and you have a low number or a single digit number that you can no longer subtract from and you don't have 0, you probably made a mistake. Now you try one. Remember, you can pause the video to give yourself some time to solve it. You can decide whether you want to solve the problem using groups, or do you want to solve the problem using repeated subtraction. I'll give you time to solve it, and then I'll show you how to solve it both ways. Here we go. I'm going to divide 24 by 4. So I'm going to put my 24 into 4 equal groups. So I'm going to put a group up here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will keep going until I have used 24. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So here I have 24 divided by 4. I have 4 equal groups, and I will find my answer by counting the number in one group. So I see that 24 divided by 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's check to see if I'm right by using repeated subtraction. Now remember, I'm going to start with 24 and I'm going to keep subtracting 4 until I get to 0. So 24 minus 4 is 20. 20 minus 4 is 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. I can fit one more. 12 minus 4 is 8. That looks like a 3. That's a 2. Now, I have to keep going until I have 0 left. So 8 take away 4 is 4. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So now I go back and I count the number of times that I subtracted 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, 24 divided by 4 equals 6. You're going to go ahead and answer a question in your Google Docs. You'll need to use repeated subtraction and type your subtraction problems. Instead of doing your subtractions up and down like the algorithm, it'll be easier for you to type your subtraction sentence from left to right, like I wrote my division problem. I'll see you tomorrow.